guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx. Today we're going to be talking about our all new and exciting products that we're offering for the Polaris Ranger XP 1000 models. So 2017 and newer Ranger XP 1000 models, that includes 2-seater / 3-seater and the cruise or the 5-seaters. As you can see, we got a bunch new of exciting products here. Our lift kits now have been out for a few weeks. There's a separate video on them. Go ahead and check them out. Some really cool parts and another product that the team here is really excited to be releasing. But that's our 2.5-inch lift kit. And then you can see we have some exhaust parts here, which we'll go over in detail in a moment. We have our Hypershift clutch kit package, and we have an ECU out here to show you that we have an ECU program available. All of these parts combined would be our Speedwerx Exterminator kit, which is a package we put them in to give you the best bang for your buck. And the gains we're seeing are really good. You know, like in a quarter-mile drag race, we're seeing like upwards of a 8 to 10 unit difference from stock to our setup with our Exterminator kit. It's with the clutching, the ECU flashing, and the exhaust. Really good throttle response. Really good, nice, crisp sounding exhaust. They're 100% stainless steel. So again, that's what we're going to be talking about here today, are all these new exciting products, and we'll get down into it in detail here. So for starting off, probably one of the most important things in my opinion that a guy's going to want to do is our ECU program. This retails for $4.99. Real simple. You can just send your box in to us, or you can purchase a flash tool to do it separately on your own. And we alter the DBW for high gear operation. We lower the fan temps. The rev limiter is raised to 8,400. Stock, it is at 6,200. We raise the speed limit up to 84 miles an hour. Stock is at 62. We raised the limp mode RPMs, revised all the timing, revised the timing curves, revised the fuel mapping, and we revised the 2-foot driving settings. So if you're dragging the brake, rock crawling, doing any type of technical riding, it's not going to cut out or put you into limp mode if you're driving with 2 feet and riding the brake and the gas at the same time. Next up is our clutching package. We have a brand new weight that we've designed just specifically for this Ranger application. One, we want to make it better and we want to give you guys a performance package, but at the same time we know that it's a Ranger, and a lot of the time you're going to be using it for cruising or hauling loads or hunting, things like that. So we came up with a whole new profile and a whole new design. They are fully adjustable with our adjustable weight kits here, where you can thread the screw all the way in, all the way out for adding weight, subtracting weight, etc. The weights will come preset in our kit for where we want you to start based off of your elevation, your tire sizes, and what type of riding you're doing and whatnot. We'll preset the kit when we send it to you, and then it comes with one of our H5 alloy primary springs as well. This completes our Hypershift clutch kit, the weights and the spring, and that retails for $299.95. Next up on the docket is our 2-in-1 stainless steel header. This is a really nice, sweet part that we're happy to be producing here at Speedwerx. It's just a chip off the old block. When you look at our automotive race car headers and stuff, this is just another piece to that puzzle that our staff here is really happy to be making. Again, 100% 304 stainless steel. Purge welded, TIG welded, for those of you that aren't aware with those terms. That's where the inside, we purge it with gas so that on the inside the welds and stuff aren't building up. Stainless is really tricky to weld that way, but it's got a real nice smooth finish on the inside, which you can see here. Guys that are worried about noise, you can still run that into the stock muffler if you like the sound and you just want the performance gain of the header. You can run that into your stock muffler and still have that stainless steel header. Mounts up stock, everything, it just goes in there just like a stock piece would. And these retail for $7.99. On the muffler side of things, we have two options. They'll work with the stock header, or they'll work with our header. We have our Q6 version, which is our quiet version. 100% 304 stainless steel. It's a fully baffled system, so there's no packing or anything to wear out. It should sound the same as it does the day one as it does on day 1000. Like I said, there's nothing to wear out. It's all stainless steel. If you went mud riding or something and you wanted to wash it or rinse it out, you could take the muffler off, run the garden hose through it, clean everything out, get all the mud out. It does have a spark arrestor built inside. And these mufflers are $5.99. The other option is our L2 muffler. That is our light and loud muffler. If you do not want a loud muffler, do not get the L2 muffler. The L2 muffler is our loudest muffler. Those are $4.99. That's an even lighter option. It's more like a race type muffler. Again, full 304 stainless steel. That system does have packing material in it, so that's something that over time that packing material can wear out, and you may need to repack it depending on how long you own the machine, etc. Those are the components for our Speedwerx Exterminator kit. You'll see the comparative drag racing videos and whatnot that we have. You'll see the machines in action. Highly recommend this setup. Works amazingly well. I have it on my own personal machine and absolutely love it. And I love lining up to my neighbors and showing them who's boss and beating them down to the mailbox or down to the saloon. But that's for another day, another time. But yeah, Speedwerx Exterminator kit. Check them out on our website. And if you guys have any questions, let us know.